In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel. We'll use Outlook's built-in export wizard to create a CSV file, which opens directly in Excel for sorting, filtering, and analysis. This walkthrough is for the desktop version of Outlook on Windows. If your screen looks different, or you're using Outlook on the web, switch to the desktop app to follow along. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once it's up, look to the top left and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where all the key account and data tools live. On the left side there is Yellowed, choose Open and Export. This is where Outlook groups options for bringing data in and sending data out. Next, click Import Export. That opens the Import and Export wizard, which will guide us through the process step by step. In the list of actions, select Export to a file, then click Next. This tells Outlook you want to create a file containing your email data rather than importing anything. On the next screen, choose comma separated values, then click Next. A CSV is a simple, widely compatible format that Excel opens natively. It's ideal for turning emails into rows and columns you can work with, and it avoids format issues that other file types might introduce. Now select the email folder you want to export. This could be your inbox, sent items, or any custom folder you've created. Take a moment to pick the folder that contains exactly what you need, especially if you're exporting for reporting or archiving. When you've selected it, click Next, then click Browse to choose a save location. Pick a folder on your computer where you'll easily find the file later, like your desktop or documents. Avoid network locations that might disconnect during the export. Click OK. You'll be prompted to provide a file name. Use something clear and date-based so you can recognize it at a glance. For example, Inbox Export March. Click OK, then click Next to confirm your choices. Finally, click Finish. Outlook will begin creating the CSV. If the folder contains many messages or large attachments, this can take a bit of time, so let it run. When it's done, you'll have a CSV file ready to use in Excel. Since CSV is Excel friendly, you can open it directly, then sort by date, filter by sender, or create quick summaries. And that's the complete process. You've successfully exported emails from Microsoft Outlook to a format that works seamlessly in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow.